Today, I'm going to show you a fun trick for Instagram how to make your username completely invisible. No one will be able to see your name, just a blank space. It's super easy and quick, so let's jump right into it. So, making an invisible name on Instagram is all about using a special hidden character that's technically there, but it looks like a blank space. Well, I'm going to show you step by step. First, open up Instagram and go to your profile. Then, click on Edit Profile. This is where we'll be adding our invisible name. So next, you need to copy a special invisible character, which I'll leave in the description below. Just copy it description. Now, go back to Instagram and paste the invisible character in the name field. Once you've done that, just click Done. You will get notice that you can change your name again in 14 days. Agree with that, and your name should now be completely blank on your profile. If you still see your name, just reopen Instagram and there it is. See how easy that was? Now your Instagram name is totally invisible. This is a fun little trick if you want a clean, minimalist look, or maybe just want to stand out. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.